Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can flip a picture in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find your project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. So go ahead and click on new project. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color for your project. Right here, you can choose a size for your picture. So I'm going to go, for example, to screen and then choose this size Full HD and then click on create. And once you click on create, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, I'm going to add a picture by going to file, open, and then choose any picture from your computer. For example, I'm going to choose this picture. And as you can see guys, this is how you can add it. So right now, if you want to flip the image, just go to image right here. Once you go to image, here you're gonna find a lot of options. Just go to transform. And then right here, as you can see guys, you can rotate it for 90 degrees, for 180 degrees. You can flip it horizontally or vertically. As you can see guys, this is how you can flip it. So right now, I'm gonna flip it upside down by going again to transform, then flip it again like this. And then I'm going again and click on flip horizontally. And this is how you can do it. If you want to save your changes, just click on file and then click on save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.